Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'll show you how to save a project in CapCut. Let's get started. Good news! CapCut automatically saves your project while you edit. You don't need to tap anything. Just make sure you don't force close the app while it's processing. If you want to organize or rename your project, go to Project. It's like a folder. Then your project will appear in your recent projects. You can tap the three dots in the right, then tap rename. After that, you can edit your file or your project. Then to continue editing, just open CapCut again and tap your project under recent. Then all your clips, effects, and edits will still be there. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.